Hey everyone, are you also facing display is going to off on any smartphones, either it is a Android or a smartphone device, or company belongs to a Vivo, Oppo, Redmi, Mi or Samsung's. Suddenly, when we are trying to make a call to anyone's, display is going to off. When incoming call comes, black screen is coming. Yes, there is no especially display is coming on any smartphones, then this is not a especially yes software problems. This is a hardware problem and little bit especially a mistake that we have done, and due to that this kind of the issues is being started on any smartphone. So watch carefully step by step. I will demonstrate you to fix it quickly at your homes. See, first issue is that recently you have especially exchanged a display or replaced the folder of any smartphones. Due to that, this problem is coming because display is not a proper fix. This problem was coming on here also. That's why actually practically after getting the experience, I would like to share. Sometimes when you have replaced a glass temper or display temper or protectors recently, and due to that especially, since that problem has started to come on, especially in smartphones or Androids, or sometimes due to dust or glue is not a proper pour to especially fix the display, and due to that it happens. So firstly, let's see where is a sensor. It's the problem of especially display sensor, so that we can see here. Let me keep it this side especially for practically actually again the fix 2-3 issues at my shops, and that's why I'm trying to show you and demonstrate you. Here we can see at the corner of it. Here is a little bit especially we can see. Let me zoom so that you will be able to see it. Now we can see here, guys. We can see this one. Here is a I would like to show you here. See this one. So this here, from here to here, this one we will have to clean the proper way. Sometimes due to dust or glue, if I have poured especially to fix the display at the corner of everywhere, and when we fix, then it comes on this at the place of sensor area. Now here to the sensor area, and because of that display sensor is going to be an unfunctional or dysfunctional. So because of that especially it's having this kind of issues. So we will have to clean this area also proper way and clean internal parts from here by one cotton, no problem at all. That I have fixed 2-3 devices recently, and the camera here also we will have to clean the proper way and check it out the corner of that should be all the cleans, because if it is not a proper clean, then this kind of the issues can be happens, because display will not be a fixed proper way, and when display is not going to proper fix, then that condition you will have the issues. So this is a 2 sensor that should be placed especially at the same at the parallel way of that. Now see here, this one on the exact place. This is a proper that I would like to show you. Here is this one. See, this should be a clean proper way, and then fix this display proper way, because this problem was coming especially last 1 week when the customer was especially replace the display folder or folder. Now see here, this should be a fixed proper way, and just a small amount of the glue we will have to take at the corner of, and then we will have to place, and don't put at the corner of the sensor, guys. Sometimes also when we have used the glass temper and we are unable to especially save this product here, and black line is actually we have placed on here any glass temper. Because of that also especially this problem. Sometimes especially when the cover here in the plastic, that if place at the corner of this sensor, then sometimes this problem will come also there. So this kind of the issues can be especially, this is not especially, I mean, software problem that we have to go in a especially, I mean, developer mode to a sensor off, or sometimes also especially go in a phone by Google to clean cache and capture these kind of the especially, I mean, the fix news and the fix especially, and the fixation way. Just this is a main reason of especially particular any device. So now see, if I call on this number, now this sensor is a proper way and functioning. See here, if I place here, now see this is a screen off, but now this call is a coming proper way and display is not going to off. So that was a issue especially, guys, that the customer faced a lot, and actually it came the to the fix it. Now the finally we have the fix it, so I decided to share. So this is all about, and thank you for staying till the end of this tutorial, guys. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time, guys. Bye bye.